Now, make we get to the bad news. There's no good at all in this piece of news right here. So this is a headline from Jamaica Star. Right? Jamaica Star. February 1st, 2018. The Jamaica Star reads. Remember the Observer article, me read the title, you know. The title said TNT man wanted for sexually abusing a 5-year-old. Alright? Commit suicide. Now this is a Jamaica Star. It reads, child gives man blowjob and video. Me don't even feel comfortable I say that shit. How the fuck an organization like the Jamaica Star have somebody write this, have somebody edit this, have somebody publish this, have people print this and throughout the whole chain a command there. Nobody no say nothing wrong with this, something wrong with this. Nobody no say this cannot be published. Nothing no go so say this statement what they making at them headline fucking impossible. It cannot happen. There is no way a child can give a man a fucking blowjob. That is rape. That is a man raping a child. You fucking imbeciles at Star. You fucking idiots at Star. A whole bunch of people forget fire for this. Like this shit aggravate me so fucking much. Like what kind of raping is that? No one raper write something like that. Only a fucking raper could have conceive in her mind. Say a fucking child can give a grown fucking man a blowjob. Only a fucking pedophile, only a fucking rapist can come up with something like that. And rapists and rape apologists can look on that as editor of a fucking popular magazine owned by Gleaner and approve that for go out in the public. And then them have the fucking nerve to write, cops urge public to delete recording. When you delete on your fucking self, when you forget fire. Star need to get delete. Oh my goodness. Them really publish this. Them really publish something like that. Me can't believe say this a embarrassment. Is either them dunce beyond belief, them dunce beyond fucking belief, and dunce beyond any level where me can understand how somebody can done so. Is either that or the fucking culture so rapey that Star I see nothing wrong with publishing something like this. How can grown up people with common sense write a statement like that? How can they write a statement like that? You can imagine if this was a little teenage girl. How many people would have did jump out and I say, oh, she big enough to know this, she big enough to know that, and she did, and I put all the blame on the little girl. Instead of a call out the pedophile. Why the title not read rapist, disgusting, rapist, sodomizes baby? Why it never read that way there? And should be killed on sight. What? Them can't them not gonna encourage murder, but I am saying, you get what me I say. Why isn't the criminal? Why is he referred to as gives man blowjob like there was some form of consent in in this incident. Child gives there's no, she didn't give how the fuck a little baby if he give something to her? The little girl had her innocence taken from her. When she did, let me not say that, because she's still an innocent child. She's still an innocent child. The little girl had a grown man, a grown disgusting human being assault her, rape her. That is what happened. Sodomize her. That is what happened. The baby, the little child, did not give Star. She never give the man nothing. She not give the man nothing. You tell me what the fuck the child give the man. What kind of fucking baby give? Yo, somebody help me understand. Help me understand Star headline. Somebody help me understand this fuckery what the Star really publish. I mean, who are the manager and the editor and who are these people in that organization here where things say this okay for publish? Is it that them do this for shock value? Cause this not, me not hard by this, you know. Me not surprised by this, you know. Me disgusted by this. To the point where if me see the person where write this, me and them probably would have fight. Me and them would have end up in a fight. Me would have suspects that them probably no right up here saying at them head. And them probably are some form of pedophile and some form of rapist. For see this and think said okay for publish this. The culture where we live in, the culture where we live in, the same culture when the little girl get beat with the machete, same culture people, a large portion of it come together. Them find voice note, them find video, we have nothing to do with the fucking little girl and sexualize the girl for justify the abuse. You see them little thing here, as simple as you see it? As simple as you see it, at the same mentality there. Assure itself, but it very subtle. Very subtle, so you can't directly point to it. Nobody no say the little girl not get raped or nothing. So you can't tell them say the little girl give consent because them not say it. And them not say the little girl wrong. But me just point out to you, say there's levels to the disgusting ways in which this society make abuse of children something where we desire to see. To the point where we not understand, so we can't publish something about. Me can't even, me not feel comfortable to repeat that friggin' headline there. That's somebody you can have a job. By tomorrow come, that somebody have a job. This person for employed by Star, Gleaner, Jamaica Gleaner, when you employ somebody like that, who are the person who edit the magazine before it release? Who are those people? Who thinks that this did alright? When you think it cute, when you think about, when you think when you did I publish this? When you think it appropriate? When you think it fitting? No disgusting. Yo, Jamaica Star no disgusting. Fuck. Fuck, man. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. You have a good day.